So there was pretty much two events. I think getting into astronomy, I started when I was about 10 years old, when we bought my dad a telescope for Christmas. And I think that was the first time I've ever looked through a telescope. And I remember seeing Saturn and the moon for the first time, and that was it. I was pretty much hooked. My astrophotography career didn't really start until 17 years later, when my 7-year-old daughter was looking online and she was seeing all of these pictures from the Hubble Space Telescope. And she was like, "Oh, Dad, that would be really cool if we could, do that." And so obviously did a little bit of research online, bought my first telescope, which was a Celestron 8 SE. Pretty much made every mistake that every new astrophotographer makes when they get into it. I didn't have a camera or anything. I borrowed my brother's Canon 80D camera. Spent many hours in the garden just failing completely. And then eventually I got my first proper astro image of the Dumbbell Nebula M27. And that was it. From that point, I was pretty much hooked. So, that was 3 years ago. And, when I look back at what I've accomplished in 3 years, just, absolutely amazing.